Hello and welcome to another one of my Director's Cuts. This time we are revisiting the Three Scots the Black Watch Homecoming parade through the very picturesque ancient Scottish city of Perth. Now, I've got to say, Scottish city, as many of the comments seem to think it was in Australia. I've added some extra footage that's not been seen before in public, I don't think. This is the pipes and drums practicing the song Wha Saw the 42nd, which is a kind of anthem of Three Scots the Black Watch pipes and drums. Although the now pipe sergeant James Muir tells me Hielan Laddie is too. So here's one of the escort vehicles coming through. And a lot of the comments I've had on the original video have been, oh, that Perth must be a really nasty place when it owns vehicles like that. But come on guys, that's all just part of the show. Ah, here's little Crook in the Fourth, the mascot of the Royal Regiment of Scotland. He's a jaunty little pony, isn't he? Bit of a racket this, just getting the fingers moving. Well, I've had lots of comments about the German market stall, and I can assure you guys, I really did mean that as the backdrop, because I can see the funny side of that too. But there were more stalls than just the German one. There was a Spanish one with some cracking looking paella that I would have indulged in had I not went to McDonald's in Perth on the way up to get the McDonald's breakfast. So the parade's a circular route, we like circular routes. This is almost the start of the parade, so we'll have the march on of the colours, which is what the drum major's going up on his tiptoes to look for that happening. Oh, not long now. I don't know who that guy is with the red shoes on. Lots of comments about him too. So that was a double time version of Scotland the Brave. First song is going to be the Atholl Highlanders. Viewers of my channel will realise I do like to follow the band from start of parade to end of parade, and I like to get the spectators in as well. guy who's right up at the Pony Crookin just now is official photographer of the army. So he is allowed to mingle with the ranks. So as well as the Atholl Highlanders, we seem to have the Glendaurel Highlanders in here as well. Which, when sung, is Campbell to know. That guy's a big YouTuber. The guy here. A long conversation with him in the media. Another guy I'll point out. So I posted this video on the day of the parade. It's had 2.8 million views for this one, I think. Before the dreaded Content ID copyright system gubbed it. Now I do get criticised for not showing the soldiers enough. Just concentrating on the band. Very picturesque city is Perth in Scotland. Drum major signalling the start of the next song, which is The Green Hills of Tyrol. Now this song's causing a bit of a problem with the YouTube Content ID system, despite being an ancient song, hundreds of years old. Well, there's Braemar Video there, Braemar Media, sorry. It has been claimed as copyright of TuneCore or CD Baby or something like that, courtesy of the Basil military tattoo. Well, this is Scotland, this is the Black Watch. Oh, there's the Old Salt veteran standing at attention. Lots of people love that bit, and I've seen lots of comments on it. Got to say, I didn't notice it on the day. You're just kind of concentrating on watching you fall and get into people's roads. I really don't like to get into people's roads. I realise they've got every right to get as good a photo or video as you. So this song, The Green Hills of Tyrol, is also known as a Scottish Soldier. So I think I'm going to be crossing the road soon. Getting right in front of the drum major and crossing without getting anywhere near the band at all. Flowers all over the city. So this was the 16th of September 2018, so kind of definitely into autumn. So that guy right in front of me is now the pipe sergeant of 3 Scots the Black Watch. I realise bands normally have a drum major and a pipe major. Majors shown as 4 chevrons, stripes, but James has only got 3, so that makes him a sergeant, pipe sergeant. Only 2 colours for 3 Scots the Black Watch. I noticed from a video I was looking at yesterday, which was 2 Scots, the Royal Highland Fusiliers, they've got 3 flags as part of their colours. I like these turns, it gives me a chance to catch up. So there you go folks, I do try and catch the soldiers, there's the proof. Next song up, I do believe, is Hielan Laddie. It is indeed. Now that song in YouTube's content ID system is banned in 260 countries, and the whole of the video gets banned if it notices that that song is in this video. So that's why I'll be doing a lot of talking over this one. I think this is where I try and cross the road. Don't know who that guy is. That's Mark, the army photographer. So now we're at the side with the pipe major. In fact, I should have sneak in beside little crook in here for a little bit, because it gets a bit tight, and I think there are vans and stuff like that parked at the side of the road, which is, even with my monopod, pretty difficult to video over the top of them. So the camera I'm using here is a Panasonic Lumix DMC 2000. I used to have the 1000, I still do have the 1000, but I bought the 2000 when it came out, because it... oh, change song. The Black Bear. I love the way the drummers get involved with the yeehaw, marking the thick of it. Black Bear and Scotland the Brave, again 2 songs that Content ID will jump on. This whole video from start to finish never used to have any copyright claims at all when I first posted it, they just appeared. And YouTube are just getting overzealous with this copyright stuff. So there's Braemar Media at the front, doing his walking backwards. That's his style, he likes to lead from the front of the parade. He is official media dude. Does a lot of work for STV, got a cracking YouTube and Facebook channel, and he's a good guy. So that's the end of this song. Bloody telephone box. Now that big drummer, he has not missed a beat since the start of this parade. Big drummer, aka bass drummer. Here we go again. This is the song we heard getting practiced just before the parade began. It's Wha Saw the 42nd, because it was the 42nd Highlanders. So this is St John Street. I've never been in Perth. Passed through it before, but never actually walked around about the city centre. I was really impressed by it all the place. Another bit that people talk about a lot in the comments is just about to come up, and that is the veterans. We'll try to be as respectful as possible and pass behind the veterans. So the old guy shouts, "Veterans salute," as the troops all perform an eyes right. That must have been like the provost of Perth, or the mayor, or whatever, the gold chain on. He'd bummer anyway. So you'll notice that Crooken here has got 2 stripes, so this is him being promoted from Lance Corporal to Corporal. And I was talking to the Pony Major Mark, who's with him, during Armed Forces Day in Stirling, I think it was, and Crooken became the corporal as the opening of the Queen's Ferry crossing, which was attended by the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh. Everybody loves little Crooken. So we're nearing the end of St John Street, and we're turning into the where we started, basically, back to the German sausage stall. Other stalls are available. Tune wise, we're back to the start as well. The Atholl Highlanders and the Glendaurel Highlanders. Goes on. Pesky parked cars. Sneaked in behind the band and probably right beside Crooken at this point in time. I'd seen too many high cars for my liking. The monopod that I use allows a nice bit of elevation. Architecture right in front. Museum and Art Gallery. I'll go back to Perth and use my historic Scotland pass to get me in there. Ah yeah, all these vans obviously were to do with the troops. Spotted them further down the road and knew I had to get in here. So I think we do a left turn here, Clyde, into the road closed. I think our wee boy is helping out Mark, the official army photographer. There's a wee Crooken there. Yeah, there's the food stalls and the fun fair for the kids of the troops. So we get a little thing from Little Winnie. A noise from Little Crook in here. Yes, you are allowed to clap. That was Mark from Armed Forces. So, nearing the end of the parade now. And the beat goes on. Get ready for the double speed. Scotland the Brave. Don't want to get in the way of the soldiers here. Pub time. Well done, guys, and thanks for watching.